Hi Kipsters, today is October 28th. You are in day 46, and today you're going to be reading chapters 27 through 28 of Fever. So for your do now, you want to think about how in chapters 25 and 26, the frost hits Philadelphia, signaling the end of the yellow fever epidemic. What do you think will happen to the coffee house now? So we're getting into our last 4 chapters. Between today and Friday, we're going to finish the book. Think about what do you think is going to happen to the coffee house in those last chapters. Now we're in the intro to the lesson. There are a couple of things that you want to look out for. This is a really happy time for our people because they're finally through the yellow fever epidemic. Maddie, Eliza, Robert, Nell, William, Joseph have all survived. They're back together at this coffee house. So Maddie's going to actually throw a feast with Eliza. She's going to make a big meal. At this meal, she's going to ask Eliza to become her business partner. And so we'll see how that goes. In the later chapter, Maddie's going to reopen that coffee house. And there's going to be the return of another character. So look for these 4 pictures as really big, important things that happen in these 2 chapters. As always, make sure that you mark up the text as you're reading. You also have your audio on the side that you can listen to and support on the side for some different things in the text. Make sure you answer your questions here so that you can transfer them over to your answer sheet and check your GIS when you get to the GIS section. Once you get to the bottom, you can click the link to get to our GIS for today. You'll also see some fast forwards in the second chapter so that I could shorten it for you. If you have any questions, let me or Miss Behill Newgood know.